In this box over here, it's a Yamaha R9. The only one that was shipped to Eastern Europe so far. We have it right here in Brasov city near Bucharest. I'm about to unbox it and hopefully I can start it up because I'm so eager to hear that CP3 engine running. Let's go! I have the tools for the job, let's do it! So, what's important about the R9? It's that it replaces the R1. It has a CP3 engine that also comes fitted on the Tracer 900 and on the MT-09. 190 HP, so close to 120, and around 190 kilograms with better brakes, lots of electronics, and some very good looks because it resembles a lot with the Yamaha R1. You can no longer buy the R1, now you can buy the R9. So let's see how it looks. Let's open the box. Bam, it's a blue one. Man, it looks so good. Check it out. This, it's for me, as I see it from the top, looks just like the R1, but I know the front call over here, it's different. Also, the tail unit is different. It's a lot slimmer, and I think it's a lot smaller than the R1. I'll have to remove all this cardboard in order to see it properly. What's so special about this R9? You might ask yourself. These brakes are Brembo, so better brakes than before. The suspension is like on the previous R6, is the Kayaba unit, but with the back that has a compensator. This means you have all the suspensions that you can want for a track they use, and also the brakes for a track they use. They are very large brakes with Brembos on them. This, I think, are the Stylemas, and also the fairing looks nicer than I was expecting. Now that I can see it from close to me, it's a lot more presentable and a lot more aggressive than I was thinking about. The headlight, it's like on the R7, but I think this one looks a bit better. The whole bike is super nimble and looks like a fast bike already. You have the Kayaba suspension, which is already like the one on the R6 with a compensator on the back. This means you have like a better suspension for track use, and you can ride it very, very fast. The electronics on this ones are the best on the market because you have the IMU, which it's updated to 2025 and even delivers slide control. This is very helpful while riding on track, and if you have the skill, you can go around corners even faster than normal. Let's see what else we have with the bike here, because we need to take the crate off and then fill it with some gas and start it up. Now that I'm electrified, I can work myself easier to the bolts. I have to be very careful not to scratch the bike, not to allow anything to fall on it. I have to remove these two bolts in front here, and also the big bolts that is holding the bearing stem of it. It's different from other manufacturers that I've did unboxings for, but one thing is for sure, this bike has to become a test bike soon, and I can't wait to give it a ride because being a sports person that loves sports bike, and this was my first love, riding fast on tracks, this bike resembles a lot with the bike of my dreams, and I can't wait to do it. Also, I find here that you have the cruise control attached, and the whole buttons are different compared to the models that I've known from Yamaha. The dash is also different. This dash is a larger one, TFT, that can be connected with the phone, which is important because you can find out, even on track, you can get the data from the ECU of the bike to check out what time did you did, what lean angle, and different aspects of riding. Now that I've removed the half of the crate, I have to untie this part over here because I have the keys, which are 3 in number. This is the key for the service, I think the red one. I also have to get rid of this part over here, and I bought a large wrench that I can use. Hopefully I won't scratch anything. Behind the bike, it's a box which I have some parts in. I think it's the user manual and stuff. Next, I need to remove this saddle and connect the battery so I can see the dash running, and hopefully, if Yamaha allows it, I can do a demo test in order to start it and hear it out, because it's the first time I hear out the new R9. Hopefully yes. Oh, now I get it. This part goes in here in between the two saddles. In this position might be going in, and yeah, interesting. So I need to fix that part after I plug in the battery. So the battery is connected. I did the PDI so I can use it in dealer mode. Now I just can start it once. Let's hear it. The key is on. Let's press the button. Check out the exhaust note. The sound is a bit electric, but what can you do? This is the CP3 engine from Yamaha. Sounds less than I was expecting, and the cool part is that they fitted the exhaust just underneath here. So it's a cool feature again. I hope somebody will allow us to drive it today or next week, hopefully. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!